इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे नेस्टेड इफ स्टेटमेंट इन पाइथन. So when we want to write two condition and that condition inside condition, then we use nested if statement. Here we write two if statement and two else block for that particular if statement. And suppose I want to check the age and according to that age person is registered for the vote or not, then I'll write two condition. First one, if that age is greater than or equal to 18, then print you are eligible for the vote. And I want to know the one more condition, which is if is register is true, then print you have registered for the vote. And if that condition is false, then I'll write in the else part, which is print you need to register for the vote. And here we write the else block for last else block for first if condition. So for that we write the else equal print you are not eligible for the vote. And here first two condition is true, that's why first two block will get executed.